Get acquainted with the 2023 Acura Integra. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Feel the satisfaction that comes with choosing quality and efficiency. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.